Hi guys, Kevlar here. Welcome to another PC building in 2 minutes video. In this video we are looking at how to install a motherboard into your PC. Okay, first of all your PC case will have standoffs which your motherboard sit on top of. Sometimes these are already screwed in with your case, sometimes they come in the packet with the case. You need to make sure you screw these in to the right slot, and to tell the right slot you need to have a look at your motherboard, work out what size your motherboard is, and then you'll see the holes here which are your screw holes. Okay, so if we just line them up there and just check where the standoffs are compared to those holes, I can see I've got the standoffs there for the top two, which is fine. I've got the standoffs at the side here for these two holes. Although we can see for this one, this standoff is too low, so I need to move that up to this one to fit this particular motherboard. Right, along with your motherboard you should have an I/O shield like this, or you could have a motherboard where this is pre-built into the motherboard. If you've got a separate I/O shield you need to fit that to the case. PC case has a slot for the I/O shield here. Coming from the inside of the case we slot this I/O shield and clip it into place. Now that the I/O shield is in place we can line up the back I/O of the motherboard to that shield and placing the motherboard on top of those standoffs in the case. Okay, once that's nicely in place you can screw the motherboard in. The screws for the motherboard will come with your PC case and they are usually like this with a little ridge around the edge. Okay, and then just screw the motherboard into place with those screws on each of those standoffs. Now I'm installing this motherboard with no components pre-installed onto the motherboard just for demonstration purposes. You can go and check out my other 2-minute PC building videos to see how to install those components onto the motherboard. And there we go. We have now installed the motherboard into the PC case. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. Please do give us a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.